about 4.5 hours drive from Pune, and it has a beach, so we are quite excited to be there. Obviously more than us, the girls are quite excited, and especially Chika, who's so waiting for a water body. And we are crossing Tamini Ghat right now. It's so beautiful. We just crossed our favorite spot, which we normally go to. We have a vlog on that, do check it out. And it's still about 2 hours drive, but the drive is so good. The roads are good. They have a few bad patches in between, but otherwise the road is quite good. And here's the other girl, all settled. She sits like a queen always, है ना? And look at this girl. So it's going to be a short trip, and today it's going to be beach time. So yeah. We are almost reaching there now. We are at Nizampur Road. This is in Mandgaon, Raigad district, and we can already see fresh fish there. And this looks like a market area. And there we have a lot of dried fish. You excited to have fish? Our catty? Who's going to have fish? Manya, fish कौन खाना रे? Sorry, yes. Both the girls enjoy fish, so we are looking forward feeding that to them. And this looks like the main market of Nizampur. This is the bus stand. It's quite crowded here. Chika is looking for water.
ती घुसली तिकडे गेली.
चिकू पानी नाही पिल्लू. ये गुड गर्ल. अरे बाप ले, खुश आलो पिल्लू. गुड गर्ल. मस्त. So we've taken a stop here at Mandgaon, and girls also needed a break, so a water break and some light snacks for them. And this is an amazing view that we are getting. बसा खाली. चला. Sit. Sit. I sit. Good girl. Stay. Shh. Shh. Stay. Eat. चल खा लवकर.
Knelt to pray today, but no one was listening anymore. Do I need to fade away or stay here laying down on the floor? I want to know if you'll be the shoulder that I need. I want to go, so take me to Neverland. Can you help me find a way? Where is the God that I need? Can I get some help today? Lord, help me with the blood that I bleed. I want to know if you be the shoulder that I need. I want to go, so take me to Neverland.
Hi friends, so we are at Srivardhan beach. So Srivardhan actually was known as the first Peshwa. I mean, it has a lot of historic importance. So the first Peshwa, Balaji Vishwanath Peshwa, was born here, and Srivardhan is also known for its lovely, pristine, clear beaches. We are seeing a beautiful sunset here at the background. As you can see, it's so beautiful. Due to lockdown, we are not seeing. Also, it's a weekday. As you all know, we usually travel on weekdays, so so there's not much of crowd, and it's close to Mumbai, it's close to Pune. So if you want to come for a short trip, if you want to come for a short getaway, then Srivardhan is like one beautiful place. Of course, for the beach and for the food, we are so looking forward to have the Malwani fish that is available here locally. And tomorrow we are going to go for a Leelav, that is the fish auction place, and it's quite exciting. We are so looking forward to it. And though we won't take the girls there, of course, but it would be my first experience, and I'm so looking forward to it. And the sunset again is so beautiful. I just can't get enough of it. The girls are having absolute fun. We are here with our friends Shreya and Sanket, and Chika and Ash's soul sister Hannah. You must have seen her in so many videos of us, and they are absolutely having a gala time here. Hannah is again you know, she loves swimming, she loves water. So this is what they are doing now. They are all tired actually, but Chika's already gone black here, and here's Daddy. And that's the whole 360 degree view of the beach. So there are a lot of coconut trees all around here, and we are staying actually at our friend's home. So it's quite good. It's just 2 minutes away from the beach, and what a lovely day.
I want to go, so take me to Neverland. Anxiety taking over me, I can't be the only one left. No.
मच्छी मार्केट चालू असतं ना? हो चालू आहे आपलं. माहिती भेटेल ना? हो. दोन करा का? दोन कर जा. हो करते मी. बघून घ्या संध्याकाळची.